Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Mendakas ngi ka arpu artarik jelio arja arpasau layo ban Plie ka Jaka di Shaka ka bathamai jong ka company na Japan ka Honda ka bala ai kerteng da ka Honda Shadap ka badon Mawblei ka badai try da uba bhagu par Shadap yakni ka Jaka di Shaka la Plie da Yogesh Mathur Director Sales and Marketing Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India hakajing non lang ki bahayeng jong uba bhagu par Shadap bat ki batre hakati ka Jaka di Shaka Hakan ngi singi layo ban IT sendan ya ka thuk bat ka ka scooty shaki bala thiet ekini ki Shaka. Hakan ka company ki don baro saujat ki model ha ka scooty ka Activa bat Dio ka ba shispa shipo CC bat kumju ka Activa bat Dio ba shispa arpsan CC. Kat ba ha ka motorcycle ki don khandai jat ki model nadu ki ba shispa shipo CC hadu ki ba arspa CC. Haba kran shakilat pathai khobor umathur ulapan paw ki jingkemen ban yo Plie ka ni ka showroom di Shaka beningkong jong ka company Honda hanong ba Shillong. Kumjo na kalyang uba bhaku par Shadap ulapan pawe ke jings ngokmen ban yo Plie ka ni ka showroom Honda ka ba ula angnut la slamha. Ula wer bat kentu ki pat ba bakin wan ban thiet ekini ki Shaka ki balong ki mar ki ba baha karkum ka jinglap jong u kum ubreu ubadan ru ya ki we ki showroom di kali hakanong ba.
Yeah, yes, thank you so much. Hold it. Everybody, hold it. 3, 2,
One अब यहाँ पोछा मारेंगे हाँ one से
I would like, we are happy at the same time proud to announce that Shadap Honda is the first dealership of Honda motor vehicle and scooter India. First and foremost, I would like to appreciate my father for his effortless perseverance coupled with his strong determination to make this dream a success. And yes, to you too, Mom, for supporting him in order to make this dream a success. It's an honor to have in our midst the Director of Sales and Marketing, Mr. Yogesh Mathur. Welcome, sir. The Operating Head of Sales, Mr. Ashish Chaudhary.
Thank you. Very happy to be here.
Unique selling point is concerned, I think we will only say that rather than we speak anything about our product, we would invite all our customers and potential customers to come, take a test ride and feel the product on their own. We need not to talk too much about our products because wherever we have launched, we have got very, very good responses. Like I said, Manipur, almost having 50%, 44%, 55% market share we already enjoy. So in hill stations, what is more important is in terms of the pickup, the initial pickup and the power of the vehicle, and which is best in the class in the entire range of the product. So we have got 100cc till 1800cc of the product. Currently Shadap Honda will be delivering till 200cc, from 100cc to 200cc, and this entire portfolio has got very attractive features which is best in the overall class along with the best in the mileage also. So not only feature, with the performance, the mileage also plays a big role here because the fuel prices are going to the roof. And within that particular thing, if the mileage is good, performance is good, style is good, I think everything we'll talk about from the test ride which customers will take.
What about the cost?
Starting cost, you remember? Of motorcycle, the lowest portfolio which we have is for Shine 100, which starts close to around 66,700 rupees. Exact we will let you know. So this is the starting for motorcycle, and for scooters the starting range is for DO 110, which will be close to around 70,000 rupees. The exact prices we will be telling it. The on-road prices which will be more important for you to consider and publish it. Assignment here. Maybe during previous company of Hero Honda, at that time probably you must have seen it. But as a Honda, this is the first dealership which we have inaugurated today.
Can you tell your expectation?
Northeast is very different market than rest of the Indian market, and the customer like here very attractive kind of a product. And in the current lineup of our all product range, we have enough of the range available which can really excite all the customers here in Shillong and entire Meghalaya. And our expectations is very huge, and certain part of Northeast we are already enjoying almost 50% of the market share. So we are looking forward to have the similar kind of feat here in Meghalaya as well once we are starting today.
What we understand in
I
market.
said that you're right, people prefer such kind of a good power and pickup vehicle here along with good style. So our lineup is having almost all the range available of our product, and we are sure that once the customer take a ride of these bikes, they will be very much happy in terms of the performance of the vehicle. And we have seen in last few years, preferences of the people has shifted more towards finance part. And Pan India, our finance ratio is close to around 55-56%. And we are expecting almost similar kind of finance here. And today we just inquired, there are 5 finance partners who have already started business here. And they are, one of them are the local bank, MRB Bank. So MRB Bank is a local bank. Apart from that, we have got IDFC, we have got Chola, we have got Tata Capital, Shriram. So these are the players which will be, and as well as Bajaj Finance. So they are all available here. So a lot of good finance schemes are available to all the customers, and they can definitely take benefit of attractive finance offers which we currently have at our dealerships. And especially in the Northeast, we are expanding our footprint, and with our current lineup of the product, we are very much sure that we will be definitely exciting all the customers here. And this is first dealership in Meghalaya and 25th dealership in the northeast of India. So we are starting this journey, and Mr. Shadap is a local person here, and he is a very known businessman, and he has got a lot of good customer base available here in his previous businesses. And we are sure that all the customers of Honda will definitely get a lot of good experience both in sales as well as in the service here, because he is a person who is always keen to provide best of the services to the customers. So along with the quality of the product, the best of the services can also be derived from the Shadap Honda. So we congratulate him and wish him the wonderful journey ahead. It is a very challenging market because as I said, this is the 25th dealership in Northeast. So geography and topography of this entire state and the country is very different and difficult for us to expand right now. But wherever we have expanded, we have got very good response across all the northeastern state. And this year, we have already increased our market share by around 5% within first 2 months itself. So once the supplies are increased from our side, the acceptability of the product is getting very good. And we are expecting that within this year, we will become #1 in the entire Northeast.